Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the Rockford Ordnance. We are out at the range. I'm sweating as usual. It's hot. To you guys it's probably just, ooh, maybe cool or a little chilly, but to us up here it's too hot, frankly. The bugs are out already. I'm on my third of these, but you may have seen two of the other videos already, maybe not, but we did one on our NPAP. We always bring that out first in the spring because it goes with us everywhere, and it's just a do-all, be-all AK, and I love it. And the second one was our Aero Precision, our OD Green 3-gun M4E1 build, and why not take it out in honor of Aero Precision, and in hopes that they don't have to move out of Washington with all the legislation going on. But I've been promising you guys something special, and that something special is a Preban that never thought I'd be lucky enough to get, but I did. And it's new in the box, although the box shows a little wear. It's brand new, unfired, never had a round through it. Even had tape over the sling loop so it wouldn't scratch the gun. The original mags in there, sling, all the stuff you'll see. And it's something special to me because I grew up shooting this exact gun from the exact maker, well, you'll see. And even the box is iconic, and thought I'd never get one. My dad sold it years ago, and one just like it is back in my possession. And you're gonna check it out. Very cool. Come on along, let's go. Well, boys and girls, we're on the back of my pickup truck. I'm trying to hide it here to have it be a little surprise. Let's see what we can do. Don't want you to see it. And there it is. How many of you remember that box? I do. It sat on my brother's shelf in his bedroom, and it came out when we went to range days. And I have it. The only thing a little upsetting is it's missing the little gold handle here. It was a plastic pull-up handle, and maybe I can find one somewhere. It's a little torn up, but let me show you what's inside. Alright, so here it is, that iconic box, right? And like I said, a little torn up just from storage. It actually was stored in a wall. It was buried in a wall, drywalled in. The owner had it for a rainy day. Well, somehow, some way he decided it wasn't going to be a rainy day anymore. This came from Action Arms, and there it is, brand new. Sorry, got the serial number on there, but the original brochure, the original mag. It may have been inserted a time or two. You see the short barrel on here. That is a display barrel. It's not drilled. So in order to be legal, it needs the big barrel. So, makes it 16 inches. Here's the original sling in the package, unopened. And of course, there she is in all her glory. He had tape around here, still a little sticky on here so it wouldn't bang into it. But yeah, unfired. And she's going to remain that way. Unfired. And I know a lot of you are going, boo! But pretty rare gun to begin with, let alone finding one unfired in the box. And I've shot them before, so big deal, right? It's just one of those things I wanted in my collection. Now I have it. And maybe we'll get something else as a shooter. And if you believe that, I've got an AK for you that says IO on it. It's the greatest AK ever. Just kidding. We're going to shoot it, and you're going to see it right here, right now. Well, folks, here she is in all her glory. Yeah, looks a little funky, the long barrel. And I suppose if you were ever going to SBR something, this would be it. But, yeah, there is not a mark. It is brand new. And we are going to fire it. It's got the obligatory folding stock. We've got a loaded mag, and let's see if we can't ring a little steel. Shall we? My glasses are fogging again. Well, there it is. And it is no longer unfired, but oh well. Guys, in my book, guns were meant to be used. And this one's going to be used well. I hope you like it. Well, guys, I hope you like that one. It's not too often you get to see a Preban unboxing. I mean, who gets to see that anymore? That gun is nearly 40 years old, taken out of the box in mint condition, and you see it here on Rockford Ordnance. What a cool carbine. I just like it. It brings back so many childhood memories. My dad having one and shooting it, me and my brother having a great time, and to come across one, finally kind of notch that one up on the collection. The cool thing is that also came with, it came in a package deal. So there's 3 other Prebans, one of which is an AK, and we'll be bringing you that. We've also got the Homestead starting up. I know I've been saying it's coming for a while, but there's been just a few holdups here and there, permitting, things like that. But we've got some video of us out on the property and showing you around a little bit. So we'll kind of bring you a video just showing the very beginnings of it before even the road goes in. So that's going to be fun. It'll be coming here real quick. But hope you enjoyed that Uzi. You're going to see a lot more of it, and we're going to do a tabletop review too, and a lot of other good fun stuff coming. So stay tuned. Thanks for everything you do for the channel, and we love you. As always, Rockford Ordnance out.